Hi, I'm Stern from JobWordFire, and I want to show you how fast and simple we make it to launch your job board. We're going to be setting up JavaScript Hire, a job board for JavaScript developers. We'll walk through branding the job board, connecting a domain name, defining categories, and configuring job backfilling, all in just a few short minutes. I just finished signing up, and I'm now looking at my dashboard. Let's click the link next to the JobWordFire logo to see what our job board looks like so far. It's up and running with the default settings. So far, so good. Now let's go back to the dashboard and apply our branding. On the home page of our dashboard, we're prompted to name our job board. Let's start there. I'll change the name to JavaScript Hire. Now let's set a brand color. You can use our color picker to find a color you like or enter a color code. I already picked the brand color, so I'll just paste it here. JobWordFire will automatically calculate where to use the brand color and what color to display on top of it, so you don't have to waste time configuring your job board's appearance. Now I'll upload the JavaScript Hire logo and change the header text. I'll change it to JavaScript Jobs. Let's save our changes and take another look at our job board. Much better. The job board is now branded to our liking, but it's still served from the JobWordFire subdomain. Let's point our own domain name to it. Let's go back to the dashboard, click on General Preferences in the sidebar, and scroll down until we see the custom domain field. We're connecting javascripthire.com to the job board, so I'll enter that and save changes. Now I'll scroll back down to the custom domain field to find that a CNAME target field has appeared. That's going to be the value of our CNAME record, so let's copy it. Now I'll go to my DNS provider dashboard to create a CNAME record. Namecheap is my provider, and I've already opened their dashboard. I'll add a new CNAME record, set the hostname to the @ because we're not using a subdomain, paste the CNAME target value we copied from my dashboard, and save changes. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. So let's go back and continue configuring our job board, and we'll check back on our subdomain later. Let's make it easier for job seekers to find what they're looking for by defining categories and enabling tags. I'll click on Categories and Tags in the sidebar, and right away let's enable categories. I'll define a category for each type of JavaScript developer: front-end, back-end, and full stack. Now employers will be able to select one of the defined categories when posting a job. Let's enable tags next. Unlike categories, tags are defined by employers when creating a job post. This gives them the flexibility to allow their job to be discovered based on other properties we can't think of. In our job board for JavaScript developers, employers will most likely use the tags to indicate that a job board requires the use of a specific JavaScript framework or programming methodology. We'll allow employers to add up to 6 tags, and we won't require them to add any. All right, let's save changes. Lastly, we want to enable job backfilling. Backfilling allows you to display jobs that match your criteria from other job boards, so your job seekers don't run out of jobs to browse. I'll click on the backfill jobs in the sidebar and enable backfilling by ZipRecruiter. Now I'll add a search term so that backfill jobs fit our niche. Just the word JavaScript should do in our case. All right, let's save those changes and check what our job board looks like now. As you can see, the job board is now being served from javascripthire.com. The home page looks identical, but let's look at what our changes did to the search results page. As you can see, even though we don't have any job posts yet, job seekers can browse relevant jobs through ZipRecruiter. And once we do have jobs, job seekers can use the sidebar to filter by categories and tags. All right, there you go. We took a brand new job board and got it launch ready in under 6 minutes with the power of Job Board Fire. Follow these steps, add a few jobs, and you can launch your own job board today with our free trial.